Hi everyone, we're here today to demonstrate Shaads, a new simple way of window treatments offering privacy, glare reduction, UV protection, ease of installation, and more. Shaads window covers are available in a variety of wood stains and painted colors, different profiles, and different materials, allowing the consumer to complement any existing room trim, surrounding flooring, and/or decor. The metal door where we're using our demonstration today has a half glass panel. Not being very handy, also the thought of damaging a metal door by attempting to mount conventional window treatments and not having the expensive tools to fix the damages just stopped me from covering the glass on our front and back metal doors. I've even considered replacing the door at great expense, but realized later that that was not the way to go. Then along came Shaads. In demonstrating how to install Shaads, we have already opened the box and unpacked it. We've placed the Shaads against the door where we're going to cover the glass. Notice the glare of the sun coming in. For this door we chose a beautiful handcrafted wood frame stained in dark oak. These doors are adjoining this front door. We selected a darker fabric from the standard selection of colors. Our choices here were made for several reasons, one of which was to block that annoying afternoon sun which has already faded our nearby carpet. Also to match our decor and for privacy. We now have the ability to see out during the day, but not so easy to see in, allowing us to also take in a warm filtered sunlight. Oh yes, we forgot to mention the ease of cleaning your Shaads. Next to this Shaad that we are going to be placing on the window in a second, we also have a Shaad in a lighter color and with a different colored wood stained. Now back to Cheryl. As Cheryl goes to pick up the Shaad, notice the light weight, adding to the ease of installation. Okay, don't blink. We're merely going to place it on the door, step back to make sure it's level, and that's it. We're done. Open and close the door as many times as you'd like. The Shaad stays firmly in place. And to also demonstrate, we are now going to take this Shaad off, and as Cheryl takes it off and puts it down, she's going to grab the other Shaad just to show you the difference of material and color, how it makes a difference of the room brightness. For most of us, here's the real out of the box thinking. No need to spend more money for tools to install or repair mistakes done to those installation of the conventional window treatments, or that expensive cost and having to have someone else to install the window covers. And my favorite, no moving parts. Shaads, so simple, yet so elegant.